Distribution of charges, what is we are going to study today. Distribution of charges. We have always seen a point charge. A point charge is a charge given to a body having a dimension of a point, and all this Coulomb's law and concept of electric field are applicable to this point charge. The basic formula is applicable to this point charge. In order to see the different distribution of charges, we should take at first a infinitely long conductor and distribute the charges across this conductor. If you place some charges across the end of the conductor, then these charges will repel each other and distribute over this full length of the conductor. Okay, since the repulsion between the charges is there, so the charges will distribute evenly throughout the conductor. This type of charge distribution is known as linear charge distribution. In this case, we cannot find the total charge on the length of the conductor, so we define a quantity called lambda, which signifies charge per unit length of the conductor, and this quantity is called linear charge density. Now we are interested to find the net electric field due to this linear charge distribution. As we know that due to a point charge, the electric field is given as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r square. So what will be the electric field for this linear charge distribution? Now let us consider again a linear charge distribution shown like this, having number of charges. We consider a very small length dl, very small length of the conductor. Then the small charge on this length dq will be equals to lambda dl, because the charge density is lambda and we are having dl length, so the charge will be dq equals to lambda dl, and we are interested to find out the small electric field over there. So since this is a very small element and having charge small dq, the electric field will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught dq upon r square, because this dl length is like a point. Okay, and in order to find the net electric field, we have to integrate this dE. Integrating this, we will find 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. In place of dq, we will put lambda dl upon r square integration. This is the expression for electric field for linear charge distribution.